Hello everyone, in this section we will learn the top, limit, first and percent commands used with the select command. To support, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. Let's learn the top command first. The select top clause is used to specify the number of records to return. The select top clause is useful on large tables with thousands of records. Returning a large number of records can impact performance. So only 3 records were listed. When we remove the top command, we can access all the data in the table. Let's try top 5. 5 records listed. We can use the limit command instead of the top command. They basically perform the same function. 3 records listed with limit 3. Let's try limit 25. 25 records listed. When we remove the limit, we can access all the data in the table. The fetch first command basically works the same as limit and top. In this example, only 3 data will be listed. By using the percent command, we can see the data in the table proportionally. For example, we can see half of the table with %50. By deleting the percent value, we can access all the data in the table. Let's try %25. Only 23 records were listed. You can also use the percent command with fetch first. You can use the top command together with where conditions. 3 data with country value Germany are listed. You can also use the limit command with the where condition. 3 data with country value Germany are listed. Let's try removing the where condition. Notice the country column. Thanks for watching. To support, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.